Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. Today we are looking at different types of blogs you could make money from. Health and fitness blog. Self-improvement includes all aspects of life, not merely the emotional and mental side. A lot of people are interested in boosting their physical health and appearance. This is where health and fitness blogs have significant potential. Blogs on fitness and health topics allow readers to attain a healthy lifestyle while also enhancing strength and fitness. You can write about a wide range of subjects, from bodybuilding to non-bodybuilding topics. Eating a balanced diet, workout and exercise techniques that are meant for specific niches. Bodybuilding, yoga, Pilates, nutrition counseling, how to do specific exercises, meditation. There are a plethora of health and fitness issues to address, and we can all relate to one or more. So there's a huge audience eager to read your material if this is something you're passionate about. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.